In this video, we'll quickly solve one of the quiz problems from the other day. So, this problem is a really quick thermochemistry problem. It asked for the reaction 2A plus B goes to C plus D with a delta H for the reaction of 25 kilojoules. What is the enthalpy change for reacting 0.5 moles of A with excess B? Now, this one is actually a little bit easier than a typical problem because you may notice they've actually given us the moles of our reactant here. So we have 0.5 moles of A. Normally what we'd have to do is convert from some other bit of information to moles, but since we already have that, the only thing we really need to do is look at the thermochemical equation here and see how moles of A relates to the enthalpy change. So if you look in the equation, what we've got is for every 2 moles of A, so the 2 comes from right here, that's going to be equivalent to 25 kilojoules. So all we got to do to solve this then is start with 0.5 moles of A times, do a little division bar here for our dimensional analysis, but this one's going to be really short. So we want to get rid of moles of A, so put the mole of A part of the factor on the bottom, put what it's equal to, the 25 kilojoules on the top, and then all we need to do is go to the calculator, or do it in your head if you like. 0.50 times 25 divided by 2 gives me an answer of, they wanted us to round it to the nearest tenth of a kilojoule, 6.3, and that's going to be positive. So this is an endothermic process, kilojoules of energy. So the answer to this one would be 6.3 kilojoules. And told you this one's going to be short. That's it for this problem solution, and thanks for watching.